Hi guys and welcome here. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about how and what to teach your 3.5 to 4-year-old kids at home. I'll be talking about what kind of routine we are following, supplies that you will need, how to teach them reading, writing, tracing, and also different concepts like odd one out, patterns, maze, and all that fun stuff too. I have done these kind of videos in past too, like how and what to teach your 2.5 and 3-year-old kids in depth, and I have talked about so many topics related to parenting and homeschooling. So just in case if you're interested in those videos, to make sure to check out the homeschooling or the parenting playlist, and you'll get tons of ideas and help from my side. And if you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to self-growth, healthy living, parenting, homeschooling, and everything in between. So if you're interested in these kind of video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And now without further ado, let's get started. First question always I get on my comment section or on the DM in Instagram, like how should I make my kids sit down for longer time because they are not interested in sitting. How can I teach? So you should be having some kind of routine sets their mood and sets their body in a way that they know that this is the time we have to sit down and study. Now this does come naturally when you do it in a routine, but for sure it should be in a fun way in the starting. So for example, you can set a routine of doing like alphabet chart, number chart, and then one kind of a school activity like cut and paste activity or bubble activity or any kind of fun learning activity related to preschool. Okay, then again you can do like you can stretch that time by reading one or two books in that routine. So like doing chart, then flashcards, and then one activity and book. Now again the time has stretched, but they are still enjoying because it is in a fun way. Then you can start doing little bit of tracing practice, little bit of writing practice, little bit of reading practice. This is how you have to stretch. It's okay if they are ready to study for 1 hour, and that's completely fine if they want to study only for 20 minutes, because this is a homeschooling and we want to give them freedom to make a choice like for how long they want to do. Another thing to keep in mind is every child's like concentration span, focus span is very different. So like for example, there are kids those who like to study like quick, and then they are ready to go and play. But there are kids those who like to take their time, like little bit of fun, little bit of study, then again they'll just go random and then again they'll study. So go with the flow. Study your child, what they are interested in doing and how they want to study. Figure out what kind of activity your kid like to do, what kind of things that keeps them entertained in their study, and if they want to study for certain time, just go with that. Okay, now what to teach your 3.5 to 4-year-old kid at home. So if I'll take you as a complete beginner and you are just starting out, then I would recommend you to watch out this video. I'm going to provide the link of this video in the description box. Make sure to check it out. And you have to start working on their number, alphabet, second language alphabet, and few other different things. And just make sure to check out this video, and that will be the first step for you. And if you're done with these kind of things, then you have to move towards the next step, which is teaching them different concepts. When it comes to teaching them different concepts, they all should be age appropriate and they should all be fun and also learning. So I have created 15 pages for Nervi. I'll tell you what exactly they are. They are like months of a year, days of a week, and about me page, solar system, quiz in a quiz way, then opposites, finding out different things in different attributes and match the patterns, counting, odd one out, and right sense of the body part, and so many other things. So, and if you're interested in buying these, make sure to click on the first link of this video's description box or on the comment section of this video, and you can buy it for your kid too. And make sure that you're keeping all the pages in a page protector file. You do not have to take out the printout again and again, because that will be complete waste of time. What I highly recommend is also to blend these kind of folders with the actual foundation study. For example, what we do is we just do some tracing practice and some foundation work like second language, numbers, and all that, and then I teach 2 or 3 pages to her. Now she is like almost done with these, but trust me, she enjoys it 2 bits every single day. I also have this kind of 15 pages worksheet for 2-year-old kids. There are so many parents like me, those who have bought these 2 bundles and they are using both, mix matching them according to their age. In that bundle I have shared months of a year, days of a week, color, rainbow color, tracing practice, basic tracing practice, I mean flag and alphabet recognition, number, bingo, all that in a fun stuff. So if you want to purchase both, completely okay. If you want to buy one set and then see what happens and then you can buy another one, that is completely fine too. Again, link is in the description box and also in the first comment of this video. Let's move towards how to teach them writing. Okay, when they are 3-year-old, yes, you can start teaching them writing, but it should be very firm decision and let your kid decide if they are ready or not. You can give them practice sheets like tracing practice sheet of basic tracing like slanting line, sleeping line, curves and all. When they are ready to do that and they are interested in that, then you can move towards making them trace letters and then make them trace words, but it should be in a proper manner, and I have talked about it in a deep in this video. Just in case if you want to check it out, I'll put the link of this video also in the description box. For me, the ruling line notebooks really works well because I don't want to make a shift like from teaching in a blank page then to the ruling page and then teaching them the concept of writing in 2 lines or 3 lines. So to make this easy, I buy these kind of cheap books and I make my own worksheet every single day depending on where we are. So this is how you can do. But apart from that, if you're considering buying a book, you have to buy 2-3 different kind of book like uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet and number. So these are the things you can start teaching them. Now comes the reading and fun part. I get this question a lot, like is this a right age, like 3.5 to 4-year-old kids, should we start teaching them like reading? And the answer is yes. If the kid is interested, you should give them a try. And you have to work on teaching them reading phonetically. Sight word you have to introduce when they are 5.5 and above to make them faster in reading. And I get this question a lot again, like make a video on phonics. So I'm not gonna do that because there are thousands of video. Just go with like whichever you like to, because you have to decide with which accent you want to go. I don't know about that. And when they are really good in sounds, then you can start teaching them 2-letter words and 3-letter words. But that again should be in a sequence, otherwise you'll mess up the whole reading thing. Because I have tried so many things, there are few things which were going wrong, there are few things which helped me out a lot, and now I have found a perfect and solid solution on how to teach Nirvi reading properly, and now she can read 3-letter words too. And I'm writing a book on that, like how properly to go on that chapter wise, and I'll provide the index and the instruction for parents how to properly go through every single page, and also the worksheet.
So our homeschooling start right after breakfast. We go through number chart first, which is from like 1 to 100, and then through the Hindi alphabet chart. Though she knows both of them, but still we go through it because so that she doesn't forget. Then we do some kind of fun activity like coloring, or we play this bumblebee game which we had got from Music Adventure Company. Just in case if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description box. They ship only in US and Canada. As soon as we are done with that, we start tracing practice and writing practice. So I make my own worksheet every single day depending on where we are. So I give her tracing number, alphabet and few words here and there. As soon as she is done her writing practice, I give her a sticker as a reward because that keeps her motivated. And right after that, we do 2 to 3 pages of this black book, which is just a page protector file, and the worksheet which we have made for 2 to 3-year-old kids. So these are mix match, and when we are done with that, we do reading practice. These basically are the pages which are not included because this is what we are doing personally, and then do these kind of fun coloring activity, or just we end up over there only.
And I share a lot of behind the scene, lot of worksheet ideas, how to do those worksheet and craft ideas, homeschooling craft ideas, and so much more which I never share over here on my YouTube channel. So just in case if you're interested, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and on my website. We are again posting so many content related to self-growth and parenting. There are so many posts, you can get help from those posts a lot too. So make sure to check it out, and you can join the community over there by just giving your email address and your name, and you will be the part of our family over there as well. And if you made this far, make sure to write me in the comment section. I am always looking forward for people like to know like how many people watched my video till end. But again, if you have multiple questions, write me on the DM of Instagram. I would give you the voice note. I mean I will reply you through the voice note. That is the easiest thing I can do. And if you have single question, please go ahead, ask me on the comment section over here on this video. Again, if you want to buy the PDF, click on the links in the comment section or on the description box. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.